Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can add or how we can connect a wireless printer to our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open first our settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings option. Or you can also make a search here in the Windows search tab, type settings, and you will see under best match the settings option. Just please click on that and then you will open this window. So once this window is now open, all you need to do is just to go to network and internet. You will see that in the left pane, so please click on that. And then here we will look for printers and scanners. So since this is not in here, then we will go to Bluetooth and devices. So this one, the printers and scanners, please click on that. And all we need to do is just click the add device button to add a printer or scanner. And then let's just wait for this to be done loading. And it says here that the printer I want isn't listed. So since the printer that I want is not listed in here, all I need to do is just to go to control panel, and let me just minimize this one. So by the way, you have to make sure that your printer is connected with your network that you're connected with, either a router. So since I am connected with a public network, please make sure also in your end that you're connected, or the printer is connected with your network connection. Okay, so here in the Windows search tab, type control, and you will see under best match the control panel option. So please click on that, and then it will open the window for all control panel items. So if you don't see your windows like this, then please click this view by drop down button here, and then just click or select the large icons option. And then once you're done doing that, you will get this window, or you will get this kind of window. And then we will go to network and sharing center, so please click on that. Once you do that, you will see here in the left pane the change advanced sharing settings, so please click on that, and you will be brought with you will be brought with this window again. So all you need to do is just to make sure that this button here is turned on, as well as this button here. For the network discovery, please make sure that this is turned on. So if you see that this is grayed out, just click this button and it will be turned on. As well as for the file and printer sharing, you can also turn this on. Okay, so you can also see the all networks. So if you want to change the options here or the settings here, just do so by clicking this on button here. Or you can also change the file sharing connections just by clicking this drop down button here. And if you're fine now with your settings that you have just made, then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.